Hi there! I'm going to show you how to use the reformulation mode to revamp your writing. Antidote's corrector has two modes: correction and reformulation. Reformulation mode harnesses generative artificial intelligence to make smart suggestions for rewording your text while staying true to your ideas. There are 4 views, each with a specific purpose. For example, if I want to see where I can improve the style of my text, I will select Retouch. Antidote will offer a few suggestions, from the most faithful to the source to the most modified. In this example, Antidote suggests replacing "are required" with "we must make." By using the active voice, the sentence is more direct and engaging. Have you ever reached the character limit in an online form? Let's imagine I'm submitting a proposal, but can't describe it in under 400 characters. With Antidote, I can shorten my text and get the space I need to complete my pitch. I can choose to replace one segment at a time, or accept the entire suggestion. I just need to click Replace for the changes to apply. That's it! I managed to fit in everything I needed to say. With Antidote, you're always in control when rewriting your text. The retouch and shorten views are only the tip of the iceberg. Dive in to learn more.